Hello everyone! Recently, I found several videos by well-known creators on YouTube about removing grey hair using natural oil with added henna and other beneficial ingredients. I became really curious whether this oil actually covers grey hair as well as promised in these videos and in the comments under them. Since I don't have any grey hair yet, I asked my husband to help me with this experiment. Just look at how luxurious his grey hair is. I wonder if this oil will cover it or if his hair will stay just as grey. Let's find out. I'll say right away that after using this oil, the effect can be different for everyone because each person's hair thickness and structure are unique. In this video, I'm sharing only my own results.
To prepare the oil for grey hair, I gathered the ingredients. 1 cup of mustard oil. Mustard oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E. It improves blood circulation in the scalp, which can stimulate hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. Mustard oil also contains phytoncides and antimicrobial compounds that help keep the scalp clean and prevent inflammation. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a penetrating oil. It integrates into the cuticle, making the hair stronger and more moisturized. Coconut oil also has antimicrobial properties, reducing the risk of dandruff and irritation. 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, or you can use fenugreek powder right away. Fenugreek contains lecithin and proteins. These nourish and strengthen the hair, promoting its shine and elasticity. Fenugreek has anti-inflammatory and conditioning effects. It is often used to reduce hair loss and improve the condition of the scalp. 1 tablespoon of amla powder. Amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It strengthens hair roots, gives hair thickness, and can slow down the appearance of grey hair. Amla also stimulates hair growth and gives it a natural shine, while conditioning and strengthening the hair shaft. 2 tablespoons green henna, mehendi. I use this henna. Green henna is a natural dye and conditioner. It strengthens hair, improves its texture, and adds extra shine to hair. HNA has astringent and antiseptic properties, helps reduce dandruff and maintain scalp health. Let's move on to preparing the oil. Pour the mustard oil into a saucepan. Add the coconut oil. Next, you need to grind the fenugreek. You can use a coffee grinder. I'll be grinding it with a blender attachment. I pour the fenugreek seeds in there. I cover it with a bag and blend. I pour the powder into the saucepan. I add amla powder and pour in the henna. I put the oil on the stove. It needs to be heated for 5 minutes. You don't need to keep the oil on for too long so as not to burn the ingredients. When the mixture darkens a bit and increases in volume, I turn off the stove and cover the saucepan with a lid. I leave it to infuse for 24 hours. You can let this oil infuse for up to 2 days. Look at how much darker the oil has become after a day. Time allows the oil's components to interact better, forming a more homogeneous, stable mixture that's easier to apply and penetrates the hair more effectively. Infusing also increases the concentration of active ingredients. I strain the oil through cheesecloth. It turned out a very beautiful dark brown color with a pleasant scent. Store this oil at room temperature in a dark place for 2 to 4 weeks. You can also keep it in the refrigerator. In that case, its shelf life increases to 6 months. Now let's move on to applying it to the hair. We will apply the oil overnight. My husband has thick hair structure. His hair is coarse and thick. I will apply it to one section of his hair. And I'll leave the other part as it is, then we'll compare. I apply the oil along the partings and spread it like hair dye. I stretch it along the strands. You need to apply it generously so that every hair is covered in oil. I use a comb to help. I apply the oil to the entire right side of his hair. Then I start massaging the scalp. This helps to improve blood circulation in the skin and strengthen the hair. I massage for 3 minutes. This oil can also be used simply to speed up hair growth and restore hair, not just to change its color. I put a cap on my husband's head and that's how he'll sleep. If you decide to use this mask, cover your pillow with a towel so you don't stain it. In the morning, you need to wash your hair with shampoo. After the hair dries, we check the result. The hair didn't get colored at all. I don't know why those people praised this recipe. Maybe it's because of my husband's hair structure. The recipe and preparation were correct. If you know the reason why it didn't work to dye the gray hair, please write it in the comments. Also, share your own recipes for coloring gray hair, brown or black there. Let's look at the before and after. There's no difference in color. But after using this oil, the hair is soft and shiny. You can use it to restore damaged hair and to speed up hair growth. I like the recipe, but this oil didn't cover the gray hair at all.
If you know the reason why the gray hair couldn't be covered, Please write it in the comments. Also, please feel free to share your very own recipes for effectively coloring grey hair to a beautiful brown or a deep rich black there. By the way, a very special thanks to my wonderful husband for graciously agreeing to such an interesting experiment. Look how cute he looked sleeping in that cap this morning. I think that's how you really test love. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Share your natural remedies for grey hair in the comments. See you in my next videos.